In 2024, over 533,000 children were reported missing in the United States. Over 600,000 people are reported missing annually in the United States. While many are recovered, the first minutes are critical. Yet, our current safety systems are reactive, centralized, and inaccessible to many families. Hi, I'm Shruthi Venkataraman, an 11th grade student at Centennial High School at Frisco, Texas. And this is SafeHalo, a decentralized safety network designed to reduce response time when every minute matters. Currently, families often rely on these three safety systems: Amber Alerts, GPS trackers, and CCTV. But these pose their own problems. Amber Alerts rely entirely on law enforcement activation. GPS trackers cost over hundreds of dollars plus monthly fees, and CCTV systems are centralized and limited to certain areas. None of these create a decentralized safety network powered by the community. There is no affordable decentralized safety layer designed for everyday families. That's where SafeHalo comes in. SafeHalo is a low-cost wearable safety band connected to a mobile app that creates a decentralized safety mesh. When activated, nearby verified users receive instant alerts, reducing response time before authorities arrive. SafeHalo basically transforms families into rapid response networks using low-cost wearable technology. Here is a quick demo of how it works in real time. When the child is in trouble and press the panic button, the SafeHalo band emits an encrypted Bluetooth low-energy signal with an approximately 100-meter radius. Nearby SafeHalo smartphones detect that signal automatically and securely relay it to the SafeHalo cloud server. The server verifies the alert and sends push notifications to verified SafeHalo users within a 1-kilometer radius. A nearby responder receives the alert and can respond. The parent immediately sees that someone is on the way. Once the situation is resolved, the alert is closed and the system resets. So what makes SafeHalo different from existing safety bands or trackers? Well, traditional GPS trackers focus on continuous location monitoring. A parent watches a map and contacts authorities if something looks wrong. However, SafeHalo shifts the model from passive tracking to active community-powered response. Imagine a child walking from home and they feel unsafe and press the panic button. Instead of only notifying a parent miles away, SafeHalo instantly alerts verified users nearby. Within minutes, someone local is on the way. The difference isn't the band, the difference is the network. And what happens if the band is removed or destroyed? Well, the alert has already been sent, so it activates responses immediately at the moment of distress. SafeHalo eliminates subscription-heavy GPS tracking and reduces continuous surveillance. It raises community participation and accessibility and creates decentralized safety infrastructure. SafeHalo shifts the basis of competition. Instead of competing on precision and centralization, it competes on proximity, accessibility, and decentralized response. In the tiers for non-customers, rather than competing for existing GPS tracker users, SafeHalo unlocks non-customers. Families priced out of tracking devices are Tier 1, schools without infrastructures are Tier 2, and communities excluded from safety technology are Tier 3. In terms of buyer utility, SafeHalo creates new utility in risk reduction, simplicity, and accessibility. There are approximately 50 million public school students in the United States. If even 5% adopt at $3 per student annually, SafeHalo generates over $7 million in recurring revenue. SafeHalo is designed for families, but deployed through school and community partnerships to ensure density and effectiveness. For a controlled school pilot, SafeHalo operates on a lean development model of approximately $50,000 for onboarding and compliance. Because SafeHalo eliminates subscription-heavy GPS systems and continuous tracking infrastructure, costs remain low and scalable. SafeHalo has already had significant progress. I built and tested a physical event trigger prototype to validate panic button activation logic. I also developed a fully clickable demo app demonstrating real-time alert flow. I've also spoken with families about privacy and response time concerns and discussed feasibility concepts with local first responders. These conversations shaped our density-based school deployment strategy. SafeHalo's development strategy focuses on strategic partnerships. School districts provide concentrated deployment and user density. Local first responders offer advisory guidance to ensure realistic workflow integration, and low-cost manufacturing cloud partners enable scalable infrastructure without heavy capital. The rollout begins with MVP completion and a controlled school pilot. Based on real-world feedback, we refine system performance before expanding to additional districts. SafeHalo creates decentralized safety infrastructure. By eliminating subscription-heavy tracking systems and shifting towards community-powered response, we reduce the time between danger and help. This is not about surveillance, it's about proximity. Because safety should not depend on wealth or geography.